Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel All Bangla 100. In this tutorial, I will show how to fix Samsung voice calling no registered network problem. Let's see how to solve this. Open on setting, scroll down, tap on general management, then tap on reset, tap on reset mobile network, then tap on reset setting. Swipe down your notification panel, tap on flight mode, turn on flight mode, press on power button, tap on reset option and then click your reset phone. Open on phone call. Now call anyone. Thanks for watching full video.